morning. Today is the 14th, and here is the flooding. Yeah. So as I was saying, the water is really high. The Potomac is overboard. It's coming out of the bank. We are here at the West Potomac River. This is the West Potomac River Park. There's more. This right here actually is coming into the parking lot. I just find it interesting because I lived here almost 10 years and I've never seen it before. Maybe I just didn't get a chance to get out when this happened. I don't know, it's kind of pretty. Okay, so here at West Potomac Park, we reached an area that it's full of this type of ornamental cherries, I guess they are. There is a whole orchard here. As long as you walk, you can see this. It's beyond imagination beautiful. Walk a little bit more. Wow, look at this. And there is the Potomac that just came out of the bank. There's some more. Honestly, in my opinion, this is actually even more beautiful than cherry blossoms. Cherry blossoms are very few, an intense pink color. And look how many there are here. Oh my God, it's heaven. Heaven blossoms here. Look at this. Oh. I'm gonna walk some more through this beautiful blossomed trees. I'm gonna have to look to see exactly what's the name of this type. I thought these were ornamental cherries. So we keep going through this. Look at this. Oh my God. There are some people running, some people doing dance exercise in the park. These guys are from the army or something, doing their exercise. And this woods continue. There's the car that doesn't have patience to wait for me. Continues. Look, even more. I've been walking, I think there's a mile of trees. Never seen anything like it before. Look at this. And we continue. I don't even see the end of this place. Wow. So pretty. And people drive by like, no big deal. I have to say, this is the most memorable cherry I believe there's some sort of ornamental trees. Cherries, I don't know. But I've never seen one so intense, so much in one place. It's just literally unbelievable. I'm gonna say goodbye to this wonderful place. Look how beautiful it is and how big. Can't even see the end. It's somewhere way far away. I've walked actually all this distance. Leaving the place. Look at this dramatic clouds. More beautiful trees. It's pretty amazing. Although pretty soon we're going to have big rain. More trees, more trees.